Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video we're going to talk about nurse midwife salaries. Now, a nurse midwife, also called a certified nurse midwife, is an advanced practice nurse who has received specialized training to care for mothers and their babies. Now, midwives diagnose and coordinate all aspects of the birthing process, and they do that either independently on their own sometimes, or they'll work together with a hospital, for example. And some also provide gynecological care for women as well. Now, in order to become a nurse midwife, what you generally have to do is you have to have your RN degree and a bachelor's level education, because what you'll have to do is apply to a master's program that offers this specialization. It typically takes about 2 to 3 years to receive, and you may have to do some clinical work and so forth. And after you complete all the educational requirements, you'll have to take a certification examination. And the American Midwifery Certification Board, for example, is one of the most notable certifying bodies that can give you that credential. Now, the big question that everyone wants to know is how much money can a nurse midwife make? Let's take a look at some of the statistics, okay? In 2014, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average hourly wage was $46.97 for a nurse midwife. The annual salary, $97,700. Now, that income is going to vary depending on what state you work in, the industry, and so forth. So let's take a look at some of those factors. First of all, what states paid the most money? Iowa came in at number one with $128,120. Wow. California, number two, $127,940. What were the lowest states? Well, the lowest, Tennessee at $71,000, and Indiana, $76,390. And of course, some of those differences are because the cost of living in states vary, so that's what that comes from. Now, what was the highest industry employment ratio for a nurse midwife? Well, offices of physicians had the highest industry employment, and they earned an average of $96,820 in that industry. Now, general medical and surgical hospitals had an average of $104,400 in that industry. Okay, now let's take a look at the top paying industries now. The top paying industry was general medical and surgical hospitals at $104,400, and then outpatient care centers, $97,690 was the second highest paying. So a nurse midwife is a wonderful specialty. Many people that work as a nurse midwife absolutely love their profession. They love the whole pregnancy process. They love the birthing process. So if you're one of those women or men who just absolutely love children, love the birthing process, you're just fascinated by it, well, you could work as a labor and delivery nurse as an RN, but if you want to go further, make a higher income, nurse midwife may be perfect for you. So that's the salary information. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.